Hello. In this lesson, we will learn the rules for naming variables. Variable names should begin with a letter or an underscore and cannot begin with a number. For instance, a variable cannot be named 1led, but it could be named led1. Let's observe this in the application. Let's say integer 1led equals 2, assuming that the LED is connected to the second pin. Let's compile our commands and check if there are any errors. Look, here's an error because a number cannot be written at the beginning. Variable names should begin with a letter or an underscore. Correct it as led1 and compile it again. We observe that the program compiles successfully when the correct definition is made. Another rule is, spaces cannot be left in variable names. Instead, the underscore character can be used. For instance, the ambient temperature value cannot be written with spaces in between. Instead, the underscore character can be used. We can examine this in application. We're writing the integer ambient temperature value with spaces in between and assigning it the value of 20. Later, when we compile our program, an error will occur because we are not supposed to leave spaces. When we use underscore characters in place of these blanks and recompile our program or upload it to Arduino, there won't be any errors. You can also use CamelCase for variable names. For this, start with a lowercase letter and capitalize the first letter of each subsequent concatenated word. Rule 3, in a variable name, only letters, numbers, and underscore characters are allowed. Except for the underscore character, the use of any other special characters is not permitted. The use of a variable like temperature plus value is not allowed. Instead, we need to use the underscore character in between. Rule 4, the variable should have a name distinct from the program commands. For instance, true is one of the possible values for a Boolean variable, or public is a program command. We cannot use them as variable names. We can also put this into action in application. Let's say integer true equals 5. We will encounter an error. Alternatively, we are not obligated to provide a value initially. We can simply declare the variable and assign the value from the sensor later. Compiling the program will result in an error because we cannot use true as it is one of the program commands. Adding an underscore or a number to true is acceptable if necessary, but using program commands directly as variable names is not permitted. Here's a final bit of information. We can use multiple variables of the same type in a single line by separating them with commas. If all are of type integer, we can define multiple variables in a single line as follows: led1 equals 2, led2 equals 3, and led3 equals 4. If we compile it this way, it will be defined without errors in a single line rather than defining separately. We'll proceed with examples in the upcoming video.